So welcome back. This is the awards part of the event, the Intelligent Instructor and First Car Awards. So we're sponsoring an event, the Best Driving School. I'm going to be up on stage later presenting the award to the Best Driving School 2019. Okay, so we're here with Dan Hill from My Drivetime.
Yep.
How are you enjoying the awards?
I'm loving it, actually.
Yeah?
I just think, I think we've long awaited something in this industry that really celebrates the industry. There's been previous shows, lots of things that we've gone to where we've done conferences and things, but this is just the glitz and glamour, and I think every industry needs to have that kind of event that we can all go to and just have a good time, network, and just enjoy, just enjoy the industry. And we're really proud of what we've created. So
are you hoping to win a driving instructor product of the year?
Do you know what? No, because the product of the year has been done. We've actually entered into the professional service provider.
Okay.
So we're more about offering a service to instructors, not just the software, it's all about the support as well. So,
cheers Dan, I've got my fingers crossed. Hopefully you guys come away with some awards tonight.
Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Cheers.
I saw it coming, I guess it had to be done. Our love was fading, like snowflakes on my tongue. This time it's the rain, I can feel it in the air. It's time for a celebration.
National Driving School of the Year. This is sponsored by Get Licensed and will be presented by Francis Knowles. With our judges torn on who should be the winner, we've been looking for successful national schools who've actively supported both their pupils and their instructors. Schools with excellent customer service who demonstrate innovative and effective instruction, a commitment to road safety, strong business development and support for their instructors. The shortlist comprised of the AA Driving School, Bill Platt Driving School and Red Driving School, which I'm sure you're all aware of. They show real empathy towards their staff, as to valuing customer service for pupils being in the centre of their strategy. Francis, please announce the National Driving School of the Year.
And the winner is Bill Platt Driving School. Just had the award ceremony. That was amazing. We're gonna speak to some of the guys that won awards now. Let's go and see them. Okay, so this is Paul. He's the best driving instructor in London. It's official. Intelligent Instructor just announced you are the top man.
Yes.
So how do you feel?
I'm buzzing, shaking, grateful.
Did you have any idea that you were
I had
going to
no
win?
idea. No idea.
And when your name was called, what was your feeling?
I can't even explain it. I was shaking. The whole time I was standing on the stage, I was literally like this, trying to keep it still. So
2019 is your year.
Yes.
You are London's
Yes.
top instructor.
100%.
Congratulations.
Thank you very
Well
much.
done.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so this is Christian. He's not only won the Southwest Driving Instructor of the Year, but also the overall National Driving Instructor of the Year. How do you feel?
Amazing.
Yeah?
Very humble.
Okay.
Just one final
How did you
announcement.
feel when you got
winners
called?
on the screen.
Just now?
Just now, yeah.
Very, very surprised.
And then when they announced that you were the actual National Driving Instructor of the
I
Year,
can't believe it. The thought that my students thought I was worthy is just awesome.
I heard that you got 100 times more nominations than everybody else.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
From the horse's mouth, so it was very well deserved.
That's actually incredible. So, chuffed to bits.
And where were you supposed to be tonight?
I was supposed to be in the Maldives.
In the Maldives?
Yeah, we were having our 10th wedding anniversary, and when they said that you were shortlisted, we'd really like you to be present.
Really like you to be present.
I thought, well, they'd gone to the trouble of nominating me and then shortlisting me, which was incredible in itself, to think that I was in the top 10 in my area and 100 in the UK was just incredible. My wife was just amazed, so we said, you know what?
Is she here with you tonight?
Right there. Yeah.
Amazing. So it was worth it.
It was very worth it, very special.
And it's an amazing achievement. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
And thanks for speaking to us. So this is Jeff. He won the best instructor for the East of England. How do you feel?
Absolutely overwhelmed. I just can't believe it. I don't see how I put it, but
It must have been your pupils. What do you think in your teaching set you apart from other instructors?
sense of humour was the thing that came out.
you're going to have to get some new sign writing for your car. Best driving instructor. Congratulations, well done, Joe.
Thank you very much.
All right, I'm with Joe. He won Northwest Best Driving Instructor of the Year. Well done. How does it feel?
Oh, amazing. I'm very, very happy, excited. I lack words to describe this. This is it.
Is that going straight on your car?
Straight away, on Facebook, everywhere.
Everything.
Instagram, everywhere. Incredible.
You look like you're absolutely buzzing.
Yes.
Did you have any idea that the name was going to be called?
No idea. No idea at all. I was not expecting this.
Amazing.
Yeah, yes.
Super congratulations.
Thank
Well
you
done,
very
Joe.
much. I appreciate it.
So